Angin memiriku pasang ditujui tongtonganan tu saroa tak kalupa. Angin memiriku pasang.
Jadi saya sangat menghargai masukan dan saran dari sahabat-sahabat sekalian, sehingga acara kita hari ini bertema Makassar juga merupakan saran dari saudara-saudara sekalian. Saya dalam hal ini berterima kasih luar biasa kepada Bapak Wali Kota Makassar dan seluruh jajaran pemerintah Kota Madya Makassar yang telah berkenan untuk mendampingi KBRI dalam menyambut bazar kita yang ke-17.
Banyak yang belum tahu Makassar. Makassar adalah 1 hour from Bali.
Hora desde Bali.
Kalau lihat Indonesia yang begitu luar biasa, maka kalau lihat petanya, maka Makassar berada pada the center point of Indonesia.
Si vemos el mapa de Indonesia, que es enorme, muchas islas que tiene Indonesia, Makassar justo está en el centro de Indonesia. Tirando un poquito más al este, pero está en el centro de Indonesia. Déjame juga José Luis.
Orang jene mata batumi angin mamiri, angin nyerang dingin-dingin, nama lantang sari buku, batumi angin mamiri, angin nyerang dingin-dingin, nama lantang sari buku. Aule mangerang naku, na lolorang jene mata. Aule mangerang naku, na lolorang jene mata, na lolorang, na lolorang, na lolorang jene mata. Angin memiriku pasang ditujui tongtonganan tu saroa tak kalupa. Angin memiriku pasang ditujui tongtonganan tu saroa tak kalupa. Aule nama ngurangi tutenaya parisina.
Such a beautiful country. I'm very, they're very good people, very healthy people, very good heart people there. A very beautiful place. Yes.
we just try all the food that is over there, and it's very nice, the food. We try things that we never tried before, so that's why we are here. We also like the show, the dancing, the Indonesian football as well.
If you want my opinion, I think it's a really good event. There's no alcohol, which is probably a good thing. We got our own from across the road. But generally speaking, all the food and the people, it's a happy event. I look forward to one you will hold next year. And I hope you can reciprocate this hospitality by coming to the British Embassy in a few months' time.
The bazaar is super nice. I like the food. The food is amazing. Like the costumes, everything is just super cool. I was here last year and it was as amazing as this year. Thank you.
It was really nice being here. The food was delicious. The performances were really nice, and it was really nice to see the culture. It's really amazing. Yeah, we've had a really good time.
Hi, my name is Tatiana. I'm Russian, but I live in Madrid since 7 years ago. And this year I found out about this very nice event, Indonesian Bazaar, and I'm really happy to be here because I mean, it's really amazing. I expected it to be much smaller and much quieter, but it's huge. It has lots of nice food. You see, we finished everything. And the food is not spicy, that's very important for us. And there's lots of, I saw some traditional dances, which also was very nice. And there are lots of nice things that you can buy on the bazaar and really enjoy the time here.
I'm from Iran. I'm a doctor. One of my passions invited with me and my mother for this celebration, and it's very nice, very nice. And we eat food, and we see some dancing. Everything is very nice, and your people is very nice. Really, I'm happy that I'm here, and maybe I go to your country for see my family. I'm very happy that I know you and your country. Thank you very much.
Makassar, every day is your best time.
Makassar, every day is your best time.